Hey, you guys. So we are back. Happy Tuesday. And today we are going to be talking about our Cash App results, our Cash App investing results. And guess what, guys? I just got Robinhood. So I'll leave the link to that down below. I think I have a link. If I do, then I'll leave it down below. I think they give like 2 free stocks or something like that. I don't know how it works. Literally just got approved, but it did take a few days for me to get approved. But yeah, I'm approved. So your girl, I did one little trade on there with AMC, but nothing too big, just like $2 or something like that. So that was what I got there, but I still have to learn it, so I'm not even focused on that. I just wanted to mention that the focus right now is on Cash App investing. And I will also leave a link to that down below where you can sign up for Cash App if you don't have it. And you will get $5 free. Yes, $free. That way you can use those dollars to do, like a dollar stock or something. You can get yourself started, play around a little bit, and then when you get comfortable, you can start investing yourself. But just remember, it is risky, but I'd rather lose $1 over hundreds of dollars. Your girl is taking things slow. I'm not up there with the big leaguers yet. We're still beginners. So let me just show you how Bitcoin is doing. It's not really doing too good. It is actually going down. Look at that. Boom. All right. So right now we are in after hours. I have not looked at the stocks all day, so we are looking at this together. This is like the big reveal. I didn't even look at it yesterday. Because I have 3 Cash Apps. I didn't even sign into this Cash App because I wanted to see it with you guys. And I'm trying not to oh my gosh, let me look at the stocks all day. Let me stress. No, we're over that. If I lose money, then I lose money. Like they say, don't invest anything that you are not comfortable losing, because at the end of the day, it is a risk. It's kind of like betting or gambling, and where you could lose all your money. And I'm not a big time gambler at all. Like, I do not like going to casinos. I don't like doing all that stuff. So this is like big for me, you guys. It's really big. So here we go. This is how we look today. So yes, we are in the negative. Well, not in the negatives, but it looked like we lost money today. So from what I've been seeing, like in regards to like other people's videos and stuff like that, it looks like it hasn't really been doing too good as far as like the stock market. So look at this. I've only gained $2.66 out of all the stocks that I have, which means that we most likely have quite a few things that are in the negative, which is never good. All right, so let's start looking. So Tilray, I'm still doing decently with Tilray. I was doing a lot better at some points, but yeah, we are still doing a decent level. Look at that. So it looks like it went up a little bit. Definitely compared to last week as well. It looks like today it did go up at some points. Like, it was doing pretty decently. Like, that would have been, if you're like super like, oh my god, I'm done with cannabis stocks and stuff like that, that probably would have been an okay time to take it out. You know what I mean? Because at that point, we was up a little something. I mean, it wasn't that big. It was almost at $30. $2 shy of 30. That's $2.01 shy of $30 compared to where I started, which was, I only invested $12.99. So actually, if you look at this, like, I actually have gained still more than I invested, which is great. So Tilray, for me, I know for some people, I've heard bad stories, like where people have lost a lot of money on Tilray. Luckily for me, that wasn't the case because I got in early and I got in when it was low. So let's see what else we have. American Airlines doing well. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, people are flying. JetBlue, boom, they're flying. I actually purchased a little bit more of AMC. My boo thing was like, it looks like it's going to go up in a couple of days. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead. He was like, maybe. He was like, I'm not forcing you or telling you to do it, but it looks like it might go up. So if you want to go ahead and get some, he told me this yesterday, then it might be a good idea to go ahead and try to get some when it's low. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead, put a little cash on it. And I did exactly that. I got $10 extra on top of what I had before. Before I only had $5, so now I have a total of $15, and I have a gain of $3.63. So I have a little over 2 shares at this point, which let's hopefully it keeps going up, because remember, y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but in New York, we about to open up the movie theaters for real. Like, we about to be ordering pop and boo. So I'm excited about that, because, I have been actually watching a lot of movies in the house, but I also like to watch movies at the movie theater at times. I just want them to kind of separate the seats, because your girl ain't, it's still Corona season. We still got to be careful. So in Terra Resources, we got $2.74. Tesla, I've heard Tesla's been like kind of fluctuating a lot. People that wanted to get in Tesla, probably Friday would have been a really good time, because look at that. It was all the way at 662.27, so it did drop quite a bit. So that would have been a perfect moment, even if you was doing like $1, if you didn't have like a whole full stock, because I would never do no whole full stock unless I had it like that, for Tesla. But that would have been a good time to put a little dollar order or something else. But I wasn't really like focused on that, because if y'all didn't know, let me remind y'all, it was my birthday on Friday, and I celebrated. I went on a little mini getaway for the weekend, came back on Sunday like late in the afternoon evening, came back and just kind of relaxed. I was gonna do a live that day, but then I just totally was like exhausted. Your girl ain't used to being out doing the damn thing. So yeah, and shout out to people that did send me Cashapp funds or whatever. You held your girl down. I did get a few people that did that, so I truly appreciate that, because every little dollar counts. I definitely appreciate that. So let's go back to this. Ford, we got a little something. We got $2.08. The Cheesecake Factory, they're still doing okay. They got a little 90-cent gain. And I know here in New York as well, they just put most restaurants at full capacity or close to full capacity, because initially it was at 35% around Valentine's Day. But I saw something from like the Citizens app that said that it was higher, so I don't know. Anyway, so now Etsy is at 72%. We got the Kronos Group. So all of the rest of these are going up they're okay. Moderna, I remember I had some good gains back in the day. Like, wasn't it better? I feel like it was better, but yeah, let me see. Yeah, it did go down. Yeah. Come on, Moderna, you can come back. You need to make a comeback. Come back. So, Apple 37 cents, Dave and Buster's 33 cents, General Motors 6 cents, Glue Mobile 3 cents, and then we have the rest of these. Damn, I got a lot of them in the negatives, y'all. Realty Income, negative 3 cents. I mean, that's not big, but I just hate seeing negatives. Like I said, I'm trying not to stress it or nothing like that. I'm trying not to stress it or anything like that. But it is like, dang. What else we got here? We have Domino's. Like, Domino's, why you going down? You're supposed to stay up forever. You would think, like, people always eating, but I guess because now they have more options, because there's more restaurants open, maybe that's why. I don't know. I just try to rationalize things and find a reason, because there's always a reason why something's happening. Nokia, I'm just really waiting for them to get closer to my initial investment. Hopefully that does happen one of these days, because I really want to just kind of take out my money from them. Oh my God, it's Virgin Galactic. That's another one. I'm like ready to pull out my little $3 and change, because they're failing now. I was really doing it for the see, that's why I kind of should have paid attention, because I was really doing it for the little space launch thing that they had going on, and I think they already did it, so that's probably why it's failing now. Hanes brand, negative 83 cents. I don't even know. Why did I invest $19? Like, well, I guess because I bought a whole share, but yeah, if that goes back up, I might just pull my money out of there, because to be honest, I don't really care about Hanes brand, like they're not, I feel like they're not like, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I just feel like it's like whatever with them, they're just like whatever. What else we have here? Um, Aurora Cannabis, Honey Child. What is going on? I have lost $1.15, so I can imagine other people. But I'm not giving up on these cannabis stocks. I mean stocks. I've told y'all that before, and I'm still feeling the same way. Look at that. Marijuana stocks surge after first southern state OK's recreational use. So it's coming, y'all. It's coming. So I'm definitely staying in. And I think Virginia was a state. Somebody had sent me some information about Virginia. I think they were supposed to be doing, this is about Virginia, so yes, so that's the first state, that's the one. So yeah, it's gonna come back. You just watch and see, and you guys are gonna be like, yeah, she been saying this. So what else we have here? We have Neo. They've been really disappointing me lately. I'm really disappointed in Neo. I'm trying to hold on to them as well. This was one of my big money ones, them as well as Canopy Growth. They're both like kind of letting me down as far as money wise. Like I lost $17 with this. And for this one, I lost how many ever you saw, which was $14 with both of them, y'all. They try to take my money, but I feel like those two can definitely make a comeback. The rest of the negatives, like Plug Power, I feel like they have stuff to do with like cars and stuff like that. So I feel like they'll be okay, But I don't know, like realty, the realty income, I don't know, that's a hit or a miss. Nokia, I'm done with them. Overstock, that one's just one it's just one of those that be there, It fluctuates to be there, but I might get rid of them because I don't really need them. Gonna get rid of Virgin Galactic because I'm over it, and Hayden's brand, I'm kind of over those. So those are really the main ones, and these are the ones I told you guys I like to watch certain ones, just kind of see what they're doing. Novavax, I had them before. I sold them, but I only had like $1 stocks in them. I've been thinking about that whole Snap. Actually, might be a good time to jump in there because I see that it is lower right now. So, if it's still low in the morning, I might just grab a little dollar or two out of the $64 share that they got here. Maybe I'll do $4 or something. Get a little hand in there. We'll see. But I definitely, like I said, I gotta watch these and sell. I try my best, if I am gonna sell, to not sell it to a point where I'm losing a lot of money. Like sell it when it gets close, but it's hard to do that unless I'm like really focused and really watching it, which I don't have the patience or the time to do that. Like I can watch it, but then I'm just such a multitasker that I'm gonna be doing other things, so I'll definitely miss it. I do like the way that the Boo thing showed me that, I think it was Robinhood, one of the platforms that he has, it really has like it shows you like green and red, and it just looks really high tech, but that stuff can also be overwhelming for me. So it's like I like it, but then it's a fine line, so that's why I like Cashapp so much. I love the ease of it, and I will definitely be back to let you guys know how everything holds up. If there are any huge changes as far as like booms, like if things get lit over the next few days before next Tuesday, then I'll do another video during the week on that day, whatever it is that it booms. And let's speak it into existence, honey. It's gonna boom. It's gonna be lit again. But if that does happen, if or when that does happen, then I'll do another video. But until then, this is gonna be a every Tuesday most likely type of thing. Okay, this is gonna be like a new series because I see that you guys are liking it. I see you guys are enjoying it. You guys are writing, motivating me, and I see a few stories. We getting into it. We getting into the whole investing field, into that whole space. So now you guys are starting to know that I'm really serious about it. and when I'm going to be doing it. So now we can create a regimen and you guys can know I'm not going anywhere. I mean, my channel's here regardless, but this little sector, I see that we're starting to really pick up. So I think, it's most likely going to be something until you guys no longer care about it. As long as I see y'all watching and commenting, I'm going to keep bringing it for the people. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Latest.